guys, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a very small pattern haul that I did and give you some details about what I want to do. So let's get started. First of all, welcome and welcome back to the channel. My name is Denise and I wanted to share some patterns that I recently purchased. I have one of these already, but I did intentionally buy it again. The first one I'm going to show you is New Look 6651. That's this one here. I just really like this. It is a shirt dress pattern for woven fabrics with either the option for a different type of collar or a regular collar. New Look patterns don't really give you much of a description. Actually, they don't tell you anything. But sleeveless or with short sleeves. The reason I purchased this one is I like that it has a waist on it. Like it's got the elastic waist on the dress. And I looked through the different shirt dress patterns that I have. Most of them that I have are just straight. You know, some have long sleeves, some have short sleeve options, whatever. You know, I'm doing a series, an occasional series, Back to Basics Sewing, and I want to do a shirt dress, but this is the style of the shirt dress that I wanted to do. Now, that's something that's probably not going to happen till the fall, but I may change the sleeves on this one and make them a long sleeve, but we'll see. But this is the type, this is the style of the dress that I actually wanted to do. So I did not have a pattern for something like this. So that's why I chose that one. Another New Look pattern that I picked up, these are all ordered online from the Simplicity website. They had a sale on some patterns and it was free shipping. So for free shipping, that's why I figured I would go ahead and order a few patterns. So this one, 6602, this is a pattern. I actually do have this one, but I wanted it again. I've made this dress. It's like just a basic shift dress here. Okay, I am stopping this here because some of you may have seen the pictures that I posted on Instagram. It's the dress from this pattern that I made, and it just does not look good. So yeah, and it's a shame because the fabric is really cute, so I'm going to try to repurpose that somehow, but yeah, it just didn't work out for me. Now, I also got McCall's 8504. I had seen this one on the website and I really liked it. I like the style of the jacket. Now it says it's a learned to fit pattern. It's Palmer Plait. So, you know, they're very much into fit and how to fit. It has elastic to cinch in the waist in the back. It's got the front pockets, buttons down the front, buttons on the sleeves here. It's like a shirt, like a button-up shirt, but in jacket form and a bit more fitted. I really like this style. I think it could be really useful, especially for a fall jacket. That's why I wanted to go ahead and pick this one up since it was on sale. Why not? And the last one I got is Brittany J. Jones Know Me pattern. This one, I just really like this style. It's a cropped jacket and it's sort of a motorcycle type jacket, but not exactly. It's part moto jacket and part tailored in the way that it's styled. So I just thought it was a really nice pattern. And like I said, this is a Know Me pattern, 2089, Know Me pattern 2089. And I thought this one could also be really good for the fall, for a jacket. I don't actually have any crop jacket patterns, so I thought this one would be a good one. It's got lots of buckles and whatnot on it, epaulettes also. So that's something that's going to be a bit more time consuming, but whatever. I like the style, so that is what I purchased this time around. But otherwise, that is it for this little video. If you have any questions or comments about any of these patterns, I've got more patterns, a couple more patterns that I've ordered that aren't here just yet, but I will try to share those with you when they do come. Those were from a different company. But If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Go ahead and hit like, subscribe to my channel, and take care. I thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.